anymore. Yeah, it stopped. Great, let's go outside. I can't believe how much snow there is. I knew it was snowing all night, but this is a lot of snow. Yay, wow, look at all this snow. We can build a snowman. We can make snow angels because there's so much snow. I've never been on a camping trip where it snowed. This is the best camping trip ever. I'm gonna build a snowman then. You've never been on a camping trip where it snowed because it's not supposed to snow during a camping trip. I can't believe you're actually enjoying this. Do you really like it? This is my favorite camping trip ever. This is the first camping trip where I can make snow angels, snowmen. Oh, we can have a snowball fight later. What? Ew, no snowball fight. If you throw a snowball at me later, I'm gonna be really upset with you. You are so weird, little sister. I can't believe you actually like camping in the snow. Class Prez, come out already. Come on. How long are you gonna stay in there? Come out. Hey, don't try to hide from me. You know I can see you. Come on, Class Prez. I know you don't like the snow and all, but you can't stay in there for the entire camping trip. Come on, come out so we can have breakfast. Oh, fine. I'm here. The weather was so nice yesterday when we started camping. Why did it have to snow? I hate the cold. The weatherman on Channel 5 said it was gonna snow. See, I told you he was right, and it did snow. He was right. Come on, Class Prez. Let's just try to make the best of this camping trip. Wanna help me make breakfast? I don't want to be rude or anything, but you know how much I hate the cold. Not really. Can you make breakfast for us? Yeah, I do know how much you hate the cold. Okay, why don't you have a seat here and I'll go make us breakfast. Just sit here and chill for a little bit. Oh, it's colder out here than I thought it'd be. Oh, good thing that we brought the jackets with us. Okay, let's open the kitchen up. Now I can make breakfast since we have everything we need. A stovetop, a hood fan, a microwave, some plates. I'll make breakfast for us. I'll make some bacon and sausages first. Oh, gonna turn on the stove. I hope you guys like bacon and sausages for breakfast, because that's what I'm making right now. Okay, sounds good. Oh, I'm freezing here. I can't feel my hands anymore. If you feel cold, big sister, we can make a campfire to keep us warm. Yeah, except do I look like someone that knows how to make a campfire to you? I don't know how to make a campfire. Oh, Class Prez. Well, luckily I do, because I learned it at summer camp. I don't really believe it. Are you sure you can make a campfire? I'll believe it when I see it. Brothers do know how to make a campfire. I learned it before in summer camp. See, big sister? I made a campfire. OMG, you actually made a campfire. We're saved, little sister. Hey, what are you doing? Thank you. You made a campfire. We're not gonna freeze to death. Much better. Yeah, it's warm now. Oh no, I think I'm burning the sausages and bacon a little. Let's just stir it. That way it won't burn. Do you guys like bacon and sausage in the morning? Because I love it. It smells so good. The bacon looks so crispy. I hope you guys are hungry because I made a lot of bacon and sausages and they look delicious. The bacon and sausages look like they're cooked. Now I'll make some eggs and some toast. Even though we have a fire, I'm still freezing over here. And yet Katie over there is making herself a big snowball. Isn't her hands freezing? I'm gonna make a snowball bigger than me. Seriously, does she have superpowers or something? How is she not cold? She's not even wearing any pants. I think I used to be like that when I was a child too. I swear kids cannot feel the cold. They have superpowers or something. Katie, don't you feel cold? Do you want to come over here and warm your hands by the fire? You must be really cold making a snowball there. No, thank you. I don't feel cold at all. Yeah, okay, well then have fun. I can't believe she's not cold at all. I'm freezing cold, and I think the fire is going down. Oh, I'm so cold.
Well, the fire would go out eventually. If you want the fire to be stronger and hotter, you just have to throw in some wood or some sticks.
Now to make some sunny side up eggs. I hope you guys like sunny side up eggs, because that's all I'm making. Eggs can be cooked really fast. Okay guys, I'm done making the eggs. I'll make the toast now to go with the eggs. Oh, the toast is done. That was fast. Does that mean I have to get up and go gather sticks? I don't want to do that. Can you please do it for me? Please, little sister. Please.
Oh, brother, do I have to do everything around here? Jeez, Class Prez. Now all we have to do is put a few at a time into the fire. See? Like this. I got a lot of sticks, so we can put a lot of sticks into the fire. That's the only way to keep a fire going and to make sure that it's nice and warm and strong. I threw in a lot of sticks, so now the fire is a lot stronger and bigger, so it's also warmer. Is this better now for you, big sister? Warmer?
Oh my gosh, yes, thank you, Cherry BB. It's so much better. Thanks for making breakfast, Kitty K. This looks really good.
Thanks for making breakfast, Kitty K. La 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 la.
Katie, are you gonna come over and eat your breakfast or what?
In a bit. Just give me 5 more minutes.
I need my morning coffee.
Katie, can you please come and eat your breakfast already? I spent all morning making it for you. I'm coming. I'll eat it in a bit. Just give me 5 more minutes. Just 5 more minutes.
Oh, do you want Katie's breakfast cookie dough? Well, if she doesn't want to eat her breakfast, you can have it.
Hey, no, that's my breakfast. I'll eat my breakfast. I'm coming. Don't give it to cookie dough. No, it's mine. My breakfast. You already ate your breakfast, cookie dough. You can't have mine too. Don't be sad, okay? If there are leftovers, then I'll give you the leftovers, okay? It feels cold. I can't eat this, Kitty K. Do you think you can heat up my breakfast for me, please?
Oh my gosh, it wasn't cold when I made it for you. That's why you should have ate it earlier. Little sisters, they can be so annoying sometimes. Fine, I'll heat up your breakfast for you. One condition, you have to eat it right away after it's heated up.
Yay! You're the bestest big sister ever! I promise that I'll eat it right away once it's heated up.
Fine, wait right here. I'll heat it up for 1 minute. Oh, there's no signal over here, no signal over here. There's no signal anywhere. I guess we'll have to just wait till your parents come and pick us up, because there's no signal for us to call them.
Let's have a contest to see who can make a bigger snowball.
Aw, just look at them. They look like they're having so much fun. Even though it snowed on our camping trip, I think they actually prefer it that way. Kids, for some reason, always really love the snow.
I can't believe the weatherman was actually right this time. He's usually wrong. I'm sorry that it snowed during our first camping trip together. I know how much you hate the snow, Class Prez.
I'm not a fan of the cold, but I have to admit, this is the most memorable camping trip that I've ever been on. I'm having fun.
Really? I'm glad to hear that you're having fun. It wasn't snowing when we came here. The weather was actually nice.
Yeah, the weather was actually really nice when we first got here.